Babe, do you think I've put on weight?
What do I say? If I say no, she's going to tell me I'm lying. Then ask me why I'm lying and what else I'm lying to her about, then I'm dead. If I say yes, I'm dead anyway. Wait, remember what Mourinho said?
If I speak, I am in big trouble. In big trouble. And I don't want to be in big trouble.
I definitely don't want to be in big trouble. But if I don't talk, she won't stop asking until I say something I didn't mean to say, and then I'm 100% dying. Quick, just say something nice.
I think you look great. Okay, but what does that mean? Does that mean no, you haven't gained weight? Or yes, but I'm still attracted to you? It means either way, you still look beautiful. It actually doesn't matter to me if you gain weight or not. So I have. Are you saying I'm huge? No, I'm just saying you're beautiful however you look. You don't love me anymore? Oh, no, of course I do. Hey, keep your chins up. Chins.